Day 3 ng pagsagot ng isang past board problem per day hanggang sa civil engineering board exam. Ngayon naman meron tayong geohydro problem kung saan a cubic meter of water is subjected to a pressure increase of 20 megapascals. If the bulk modulus of elasticity of water is 2,200 megapascals, evaluate daw natin yung change in volume in meter cube. Now, this problem involves a formula na baka some of you nakalimutan na or hindi pa na-encounter. And yung formula na yon is kappa is equal to change in pressure over change in volume over original volume. So, explain natin yung formula na to. Kappa yung tinatawag nating bulk modulus of elasticity ng water. At how you get kappa is i-relate nyo lang yung change in pressure and change in volume ng water. So, i-apply natin yung formula sa problem. Meron tayong 2,200 is equal to yung change in pressure na 20 over change in volume na unknown over original volume na 1 cubic meter. Now, pwede natin itong i-shift solve sa calculator pero dahil nasa denominator yung unknown natin, baka matagal nyo pang makuha yung sagot. So, i-isolate muna natin yung unknown. Meron tayong change in volume is equal to negative 20 over 2,200. Yan, pwede na nating gamitan ng calculator. Negative 20 over 22 is equal to, ayan, negative 9.09 times 10 to the negative 3. Or, nasa choices natin, yan, ito lang naman yan. Pero, syempre nga, dahil very obscure yung formula na ito, baka some of you hindi pa maalala ito sa board exam. So, ano yung gagawin natin? Ang pwede nyong gawing last resort is to look at the given. So, meron tayong 20 and 2,200. And just perform random operations on these two given. And see if merong lumabas sa choices. So, try natin silang i-add, i-subtract, i-multiply, and i-divide. Pero, yun, no, pwede nyo rin gamitin yung choices as clues. So, siguro, pwede nating i-divide yung dalawang given natin and see if may lalabas sa choices. So, this is just 20 over 2,200 and ayun, meron tayong nakuhang sagot sa choices. Also, dahil nasa geohydro yung problem na ito, hindi nyo kailangan mag-worry na itatrap kayo ng choices. Mag-worry kayo doon kapag nasa pisad na.